If you delete your CapCut project from your CapCut, let's see how we can easily recover that. Once you delete the project, for example, here I already deleted couple of projects from my CapCut. So let's see how we can recover this thing. So once you delete the CapCut project, you will not see over there. You can close it, open it, but it will not be there. So what you need to do? We just need to go to the trash. In CapCut, you will see there is a trash icon is there. We just need to click here and it will bring like this, and it will show us all the deleted things which we deleted. Now here we see that there are 4 projects are there. So these 4 things I deleted, and here it is showing recently moved or deleted. So to recover this thing, we just need to click here the project or video which you want to recover. For example, I want to recover this one, so we just need to click here, and then you will see this type of message. One selected, and there is 2 icon. One is restore, and other is delete. If we press this delete thing, it will be deleted permanently, but if we click here, it will be restored. So I am going to restore this thing. You can choose all the things, all the projects or videos to recover the same way, but for this video I am going to recover only one thing. I am not going to choose other ones, and then I'm going to click this recover button, and once I click here, we'll see it is missing over there. Now we can close this window, and here in the CapCut window we are seeing that that project is there. And that's it. In this way we can easily recover the deleted video or project from CapCut.